guys, welcome back to a new video. You probably noticed my cringy crying, and seriously, I just got hacked, and I lost the dark pink headdress. Okay, you know what? I feel really bad for all those times I scammed, and I really learned my lesson, but my eyes are literally burning. It's just so sorry. I have no words to describe this, and yes, I feel really bad in many ways. And for God's sake, I have a big chance of quitting Animal Jam for good. I mean, if anyone's even viewing this video, I hope you understand. But I'm crying like crazy right now. It's supposed to be a happy day for me, but seriously. I have no way to say, but I have like a 99.9% chance quitting AJ. I really have no words to describe this. It feels terrible, just like when I lost my beta child. Any donations would appreciate, but guys, you do not have to donate. No, only the hackers to blame for this. And me scamming. I feel awfully terrible. I know how it feels now. And I have no idea what to say. This is a really cringy video. See all these times I scammed someone. I'm just crying like crazy. If anyone sees this video, that would be at least a dream. I'm a really bad YouTuber when you think about it. And I have no idea what to say. I am really devastatingly sorry for scamming, and it feels terrible. Guys, I'm sorry for wasting the time, but I had to make a video on this. I'm probably gonna quit AJ for good. It's really hard to keep crying now because and AJ is nothing but a spoiled community. I don't even know why I started playing this game. I've been really dumb this whole time. No one even cares. They won't help you. And it feels terrible, scared. I know I worked hard for that. Okay, you know what? Maybe I should just end this video now. And I'm quitting for good, okay? Guys, you know what? I'm quitting for good. I might be doing a giveaway of my black lung, or I will give it to a good friend of mine. But yes, I'm quitting. They won't do anything about it. AJ does not return headdresses. Believe me, I tried that with my Tiara once, and I seriously am quitting for good. Guys, I will be giving away this screenshot in the comment section. This black lung I'm thinking about. But yes, I am quitting for good. That's the last one. I'm so sorry if I wasted your time. I'm just gonna end the video.